Today's video is all about how to do digital marketing for free and unlocking your ultimate marketing toolkit. Imagine running a full-scale digital marketing strategy, building websites, managing email campaigns, tracking leads, and even running an e-commerce store, all without spending a penny for one whole year. And the best part? No credit card is required. If you're tired of juggling multiple subscriptions and expensive tools to keep your business running, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll reveal how you can access a complete suite of digital marketing tools absolutely free for 12 months. This isn't just a trial, it's a full year of premium features designed to help you grow your business at zero cost. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses struggle with high software costs and the complexity of using different tools. What if you could replace all those tools with one integrated solution? This free all-in-one marketing platform allows you to create professional websites and sales funnels using an easy drag-and-drop editor, launch and automate email and SMS marketing campaigns, manage your customer relationships with a built-in CRM, run an online store or membership site seamlessly. By consolidating everything into one tool, you save both money and time, letting you focus on what really matters, growing your business. Let's talk about some of the game-changing features you get with this free toolkit. Website and Funnel Builder. Easily design responsive websites and high-converting sales funnels without any coding knowledge. Email and SMS marketing. Automate multi-channel campaigns to keep your audience engaged and drive conversions. CRM and automation. Keep track of your leads and customers all in one place, and automate follow-ups to maximize sales opportunities. E-commerce and membership capabilities, sell products, launch online courses, or build a membership site without needing separate software. And remember, this entire suite of tools is available completely free for 1 year, with no hidden fees or credit card required. Here's an added bonus. When you sign up using the link below, you'll also receive exclusive access to an invaluable resource to help you drive even more traffic and boost your online presence. If you're ready to revolutionize your digital marketing strategy at zero cost, use the link in the description below to unlock your free 1-year access and claim your bonus course today. This is a limited-time offer that can truly transform your business. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video on how to do digital marketing for free, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what digital marketing challenges you're facing and how a free toolkit might help you overcome them. Until next time, keep growing your business smartly and cost-effectively. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly digital marketing tips.